Hello student, here we discuss about equilibrium. That is equilibrium constant is equal to acid dissociation constant multiplied by base dissociation constant divided by ionic product of water. Question is, the dissociation constant of an acid HA, and weak base are BOH are 2 into 10 to power minus 5 and 5 into 10 to power minus 6 respectively. Find the equilibrium constant of the during the time of neutralization. Options are given to you, you write it down. Ka 2 into 10 to power minus 5, Kb is equal to 5 into 10 to power minus 6. So here in previous video we discussed all these things, how this K equilibrium is equal to acid dissociation product of acid dissociation constant and base dissociation constant divided by Kw ionic product of water. Ionic product of water also I discussed that ionic product of water is equal to product of molar concentration of H positive and OH negative. So H positive and OH negative, and they are fixed always in neutral solution, 10 to power minus 7, 10 to power minus 7 both of them. So Kw ionic product of water will be equal to 10 to power minus 14. Why I am discussing this? Because I will use this in this equation, that equilibrium constant is equal to acid dissociation constant multiplied by base dissociation constant. These product will be divided by ionic product of water, that is 10 to power minus 14. This is always fixed value. Okay, now we will put the value we have given. Ka is equal to 2 into 10 to power minus 5 and Kb is equal to 5 into 10 to power minus 6 divided by Kw. This is Kw. So 10 to power minus 14. Very easy sum. Means 5 times to 10. That's it. This much easy it is. Okay, and here how many 6 and 5 total 11 negative is there, and this 10 to power 14 will go up, so it will become positive. So there will be plus 3 power on the this 10 to power 3. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 multiplied by 10 to power 3, that is equal to 1 into 10 to power 4. So this is the answer. Where it is D is the option. D is the correct option. Now I will brief this, that HA will acid plus base. HA and BOH, this is acid, this is base, gives you I split all the ions, B positive, A negative, and H positive and OH negative will form water. Okay, so water is there. So this is where this is acid neutralization reaction. So now K equilibrium is equal to you know that we have to write down the molar concentration of these product. So concentration of A negative, B positive, and divided by molar concentration of acid multiplied by molar concentration of base. So this is K equilibrium, and I did that